Okay, so you are on your Windows PC or laptop, anyone can take a screenshot of the screen, or you want to take a picture, could be on your browser or something working on the screen. It's really easy. So let's see how to do it. Like you want to take this screenshot. Okay, now you have to do this. If you are on Windows 7 PC or others, then you have to do this, hit control button and print screen button at the same time. Hit control button and print screen button at the same time. If you are on Windows 10 user, then hit Windows button and print screen button at the same time. Hit Windows button and print screen button at the same time. Okay, now I am gonna take this screenshot. Now want to so now you gotta go button left, and under programs type MsPaint, here, MsPaint and open it. Now you can come up here. Now hit Ctrl button, and B button at the same time. Now you can see this screenshot has done. Now you can come up here like file and save as JPEG picture or PNG picture or other formats. So I am going to do this JPEG picture. Now save here. Yes, I am gonna save this location here. And okay, goodbye, see you next time.